In this scenario, you want to configure your firewall based on the scenario instructions. Here's the scenario. You want your web server to have complete internet capability and permit FTP traffic only on its default ports. In the network diagram shown, deploy the rules that would be added or modified on your firewall to accomplish this. Drag and drop the labels into their respective fields. A label may be used more than once, and all fields may or may not have an appropriate label. To accomplish this, we will add the rules to the external firewall as follows. Allow -TCP-21 greater than the web server's IPv4 address. This allows standard FTP communication with the web server on port 21. TCP is specified because it is connection-oriented, making it more reliable than UDP. Allow -TCP-20 greater than the web server address. This rule supports the data transfer over an FTP connection. Again, TCP is specified based on its reliability. Next, allow -TCP/UDP-80 greater than the web server's address. This allows standard internet traffic to the web server on port 80. Next, allow -TCP/UDP-443 greater than the web server's address. This allows secure internet traffic, HTTPS, to the web server on port 443. When you're finished, we'll use the Answer button on the top navigation panel to check our response. You can see that it's correct and all the rules have been added properly. The rules can be added in any order as long as there's no deny rule that would affect them.